Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can properly do your custom makeup on Dress to Impress. Obviously, everybody has their own style, but I'm just trying to show you guys how you can kind of do it properly, especially on darker skinned custom makeup. I've seen a lot of people butcher it. That's not what dark skinned people look like. I'm sorry, but that's not. But basically, these are most of the custom makeup that I have. Well, these are all of it. Why did I say most? I don't know. But basically, some of them I did use like Pinterest, like these ones. Um, the skin color is different as well. Like for this one, wait, which one was the one? Oh, this one. You meshed it with like some mask and femme features, so you don't have to just use the feminine features. You can kind of mesh the feminine and the masculine features together, and then you're just going to layer on some makeup. This one's a little bit similar. I don't know why I have two. And then this one's just ethereal. This one's for the K-pop Demon Hunter. I did this one inspired by Cat's Eye. I'm like, what's the band name? Oh my gosh, how can I forget? But basically, if you're doing a dark-skinned makeup, you're going to want to make sure your contour isn't super bright. So as you can see, I use like this color for contour. Don't use like, okay, you can still use this, but if your skin tone is darker than this, don't use like white. It's going to look ashy and it's going to make it not look the best. I've seen a lot of people do that. I don't know why people do that, but yeah. And then for the eyes, obviously you're going to use pretty eyes like this. I don't like when people use the old ones. Honestly, the new ones are better. Like, why do people choose to use this? Or like, what's like a bad example? Honestly, they look fine with my makeup, but this one is new, so it looks cute, but just use the newer ones. Like, don't use this because it's not going to match well with the makeup. And just like use the newer ones. They are a little bit prettier than the old ones, as you can see. Okay, let's start a makeup from like beginning. So let's delete everything. So for the eyes, maybe use this. I'm just going to use this because I don't know why now I cannot color the eye shade anymore, which is annoying because I do not like this kind of pink color on darker skin color. So I think I'm just going to use this one because it's not shown as much. Here you can use any, well, don't use like really ugly colors for the eye contacts unless you're doing like an ethereal look. So I'm just going to go natural with brown. You can also do blue, but just don't make it so it looks very unnatural. So here's like a blue you can do, maybe this color. And then for eyebrows, just do like a darker color first. And then for the lips, just select a color that matches. We're going to ignore this because the contour will fix that. Then go to contour and just select whichever one you want. I'm just going to, use this to color the contour. And then for nose, just again, use any kind of nose you want. If it's not like visible enough, you can kind of make it a little bit darker to add contour to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I think I'm just going to do a more natural contour. That was a little bit too much red for me. Maybe this. Okay, that doesn't look good. So if you can't see if your contour looks good or not, you're just going to kind of like get out of the like chair and see if the contour matches or not. Her skin's a little bit more on the olive side, so I do need to add like a yellowish tint to it. Yeah, like that. That's perfect. And I'm just going to color her hair black. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.